What's up guys, y'all know me as Texas RS3, but today I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Joseph and this is my 2018 Audi RS3. So, today I'm going to show you guys what exactly is on my car and tell you what plans I have for it in the future, as well as give you a rundown of what this channel is going to be about. So starting off on this car, we have this beautiful carbon fiber 4-inch APR intake. One thing I need to do is get a heat shield for this car, definitely, and fix the hood strut that is currently broken as I'm holding up this hood. Also on this car, we have a full Maxton design lip kit with this beautiful front lip over here. These nice M-styled, I know, BMW, M-styled carbon fiber mirror caps over here. Another Maxton design side skirt as well on the bottom. Texas RS3 Instagram as well. Go follow the Instagram, go follow the TikTok, texas.rs3 on both of those. Carbon fiber wing here, carbon fiber duckbill. Of course, we got lowering springs as well on this car. Some more rear spats from Maxton Designs. Absolutely in love with this duckbill. I know I already mentioned it. Vanity license plate as well that says Daza. AWE track exhaust on this car, as well as 034 mid pipes. We only get 034 hardware, none of the tunes, I know. Speaking of tunes, we have Unitronic Stage 1 trans and ECU tune on this car. And I think that covers all of the mods currently on this car right now. So as far as the mods that I want to put on this car, let's go through them together. Obviously we got Downpipe and Tune, Stage 2. And speaking of Stage 2, we'll be getting a flex fuel kit so we can run E85. That's right over here. The one and only E85 station in this town that I currently live at. Before we get the Downpipe and go E85, the first thing that I need to do is get a front mount intercooler for this car. As y'all know, Texas RS3, I live in Texas and it gets really hot. Currently it's June and we're in 96 degrees casual. So front mount intercooler and then we'll get downpipe and then we'll go E85. Of course, as you guys know, we gotta get a brand new set of wheels on this car. Although I do love the stocks, I'm curious to know what you guys would think would suit this car best. I have no idea. There are way too many wheel options out there for me currently. After that, we'll be getting carbon fiber fenders and hopefully a carbon fiber hood with a little see-through bit on top so you can see the beautiful Daza engine bay. Real quick, let me show you guys what the car sounds like with 034 mid pipes and the aforementioned AWE exhaust as well. Let's take a listen. And now for a little bit of revs. So switching sides and talking about what my plans are for this channel, let me tell you guys. I want to post all the installation of all the mods. I plan on doing as many of them as I can with my friends in their garage and not with the shop. So hopefully I can take you guys with me and vlog every single install. I also plan to be going to track days, drag strips, as many car shows as I can, bringing you guys with me through it all. So come along with me as I show you guys why Audi is one of the best Euro platforms and we Daza the world.